Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I was telling about the TCS denied about the work from office news. There was a week ago there was information about the TCS that had sent the information about that they have to every employer that they have to work from the office but this time there TCS denied about the information that they have don't share any information about the employee to return to office policy about that, and there was the news about the condition of the applied for the every candidate that they have to work for the company office, and they have at least for 12 days in a month. So guys, there was information about this in this video. So guys, I hope you will subscribe my channel or not, but please like my video and subscribe as you find the information in this video. And guys, you can also watch my playlist where you can get the information about the onboarding update in the latest news about the breaking news. So guys, TCS denied district warning to the employee and return to office policy. Tata Consultancy Services clarified that it is not a linked carrier of the compensation to return the office policy following report of the memos being sent to the employees. There was the information about that the company has sent the information that they have to, that every employer from the 15th of May, after that 15th of May, they have to work from office, and in a month they have to work from office 12 days, and there was a 2 to 3 days in a week. So guys, I hope you got the information, because but this time the TCS denied that they have not given the any information about that about the return to office policy or something like that. TCS HR that they have sent the information that they have not even the share about the information that they have giving the condition or something like that, a warning to the candidate about that they have to return to the office or work from office also, because many candidates have just done their job in the work from home, because last 1 to 2 years ago. So Tata Consultancy had denied claim that it is to restrict warning to employee regarding their complaints with their return of policy. A TCS spokesperson responded to the report, telling the NTV that while the company has encouraged employee to work from office for 3 days a week, it has not communicated any career or compensation implication of the non-compliance. So guys, here the information they have said that they have not communicated any career or compensation implication for the non-compliance. So guys, you have to understand that this the information is said by the many information get the company about that they have to work from office. So guys, they have TCS has clearly announced that news that they have not given any issue about the state warning denied claim. They have not given the information about that they have work from office or something like that. Light of article published Times of India, which has stated TCS start sending the memos employee who did not complete the minimum 12 days of work to office for a month. According to TI, the memo warned the potentially disciplinary action against employee who failed to follow the restore office attendance. In the response, TCS spokesperson emphasized the company excitement to see the campus rustling energy and expressed the desire all employees to be part of the vibrant ecosystem. So guys, here you can get the information about that TCS start sending the memos about that they have to done for the 12 days office work for the month. According to the Times of India report, the memo have warned the potentially disciplinary action against that, because they have not evenly say about that they have to work from office or something work from home. So that's why the TCS spokesperson, TCS HR or something like they have the clarification for the company side. They have a strong sense belonging. TCS actively encouraging associate India return of the office 3 days a week. It has yielded positive result, and many employees already compiling. The objective is says to all associates working from the office for an average at least 3 days per in a month. So no connection have been made between the office attendance and career advancement of the compensation. So here the mention about the no connection have been made between the attendance or 3 days per week in a month. So guys, here the clarification giving the company side. So TCS denied the policy that they have mentioned about the company side. So I hope guys you got the information about what I'm trying to say. If you get any update regarding the something onboarding, you can watch my playlist where you can get the latest information about the onboarding or emphasis, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Infosys. All the information you get from this platform, this channel only, Technical Rajput blog. Subscribe, like. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.